So in this video, we're going to talk about one of the best cashback credit cards that has 0% for your holiday shopping this year. It's called the Wells Fargo Active Cash. And you're not going to want to miss this video. We're going to drop some gems in here. Welcome everybody back to the Radical Marketer YouTube channel where we teach you how to build credit, leverage credit, and create wealth. So smash that like button, punch that subscribe button, and knock out that bell notification button because I make videos daily and you, my friend, do not want to miss it. If it's your first time on the channel, thank you so much for your support and watching this video today. I promise not to waste your time, give you all stuff and no fluff. So go ahead and ask a question in the comment section, give your opinion in the comment section, and feel free to join us in our private Facebook group as well because we have thousands upon thousands of credit pros and gurus talking about business credit, personal credit, how to leverage credit, completely free, no spam allowed. And yeah, link is in the description below. You don't want to miss it. Join us today. Be happy to have you. Also, if you have a credit question, I'd be happy to answer it for you. DM me at Radical Marketer on Instagram and follow me as well because I'll be doing a lot of content here on Instagram soon, and that way you're up to date with all the new updates and giveaways and all that we're going to be dropping on the Instagram channel. So DM me and follow me on Instagram as well. And for all of my Radical Marketer Nation out there that is blowing up this YouTube channel, we're literally becoming one of the fastest growing finance channels on YouTube, and it's literally all because of you. That's right, because of you. Because of that like button you just smashed, because of that emoji you just dropped, because of that comment, because of whatever you just put in the comment section right now, you're telling YouTube, hey, this video needs to be seen by other people. So engage with this video today. Share the video, like the video, and put a comment, put an opinion, put whatever you want to put in the comment section so other people see this video. All right, guys, without further ado, let's talk about the Wells Fargo Active Cash Card, okay? I'm going to talk about why I like it, how I got it, because I got it in a very unique way. There's a hack going on right now, and I'll drop that at the end of the video. But basically, this card is the brand new Wells Fargo card. It's a personal card, okay? I'm big on business cards, but this is a good card. It's an unlimited 2% cash back, no restrictions, no categories, no caps, no nothing. So my MS Nation out there that's MSing and want cash back, ring it up, people, okay? I'm going to give you some data points about this card. You want this card, okay? 2% cash back, no limit, no restrictions, okay? Here's another kicker. Soft pull credit limit increases, okay? I've got my Wells Fargo card up to $25,000 right now. Never did a hard pull, soft pull every 6 months, okay? Obviously, you bring this up, you're going to get those huge increases. And Wells Fargo is a big bank, and obviously, a lot of people hate Wells Fargo. Yeah, we can't take it personal. They've done a lot of shady stuff. But listen, stated income for this as well, okay? All of their products are stated income for the most part on the business and the personal side. So I'm in heavy with Wells Fargo right now. They're treating me really, really nice, okay? So you build the relationship with this credit card, get into the business side of things. They report to business credit, stated income products, stated income credit card. You can, and I've done videos on that already, going after the business line of credit, the business loan, the personal loan. You guys know that I've been in heavy with Wells Fargo. Check out my videos on Wells Fargo, okay? Because I'm in deep with them, and I understand. I hate them as well as far as their morals go. But listen, they're making it rain for me, and I love it, okay? So 2%, like I said, unlimited cash back, no restrictions. Stated income, credit limit increases are a soft pull. This will be a hard pull from Experian. Now, Wells Fargo will also be doing matching with Bank of America. That's like their best friend and their biggest rival at the same time. So every time you want a card like this, go to Bank of America and you can get another cashback card as well. I'll be covering a lot of Bank of America products too because there's a lot of hacks and tips with the business side of things that you guys need to know about. They're huge on relationship banking with the business side, just like Wells Fargo is, okay? So they're pretty much like identical, right? So you can like double dip and do Bank of America and Wells Fargo. I understand if you don't like them. I'm just talking about the products because a lot of you guys out there looking for great cashback cards for the holiday, for the shopping portals, things like that. This is going to be one up your alley, okay? Also, 15 months, 0% interest. Come on, people. Come on. So you knock this out. You put the stated income on there, get a high limit, ring it up, and then do a credit limit increase in 6 months. Boom, you still got the 0% interest for the rest of the time, right? So just over a year, a year and a quarter, not paying interest, interest-free loan, right? Balance transfer, 0% interest, okay? For 15 months as well. And check this out, you got 4 months to do it. So you can literally do the balance transfer on Easter or St. Patrick's Day, okay? Get you a Shamrock Shake at McDonald's, do an Easter egg hunt with your kids, do the balance transfer then, okay? You got literally 120 days or 4 months to get that done, okay? So 0% interest on balance transfers and purchases, unlimited cash back, no annual fee. No annual fee, okay? Also, make sure that your Experian is at least a 720 or higher. Now, let's talk about the product change hack that I got, okay? So for all of you out there that have had the American Express Platinum card, that's what I had. They're trying to move everybody from that card to the Active Cash. So you could literally call Wells Fargo if you have the Platinum card and ask to be product changed into this card. That's what I did. They literally said, hey, do you want the Active Cash card? They sent me an email. I said, sure. I called them up, asked the details about it, make sure everything was legit, and got it, okay? Now, I don't get the intro offers that all of you get if you apply for this card, but I also don't lose the age of my card. Literally, my interest rate transferred over, all of my promotions transferred over, my credit line transferred over, my age of history on this card transferred over. I didn't want to have to reapply and get a new card and mess up my age of history because I'm really going after business cards. But if I ever need a cash back, boom, 2%. Because on the Platinum card, I was getting no cash back. And on this card, I'm getting cash back. The Platinum card was literally a 0% credit card for balance transfers and for purchases. And this has everything that has, but 2% back and no annual fee. So how can I hate on that, right? Quick tip for you guys as well, because if you watch the entire video, I drop tricks and hacks all the time, right? You always want to use your cashback cards through Rakuten, through Be Frugal, Get Frugal, whatever the case is, the Frugal one, the shopping portals, the American Airlines portal, the Alaska Airlines portal. Basically, you download these Google Chrome extensions on your browser, and then you go to a website, and that shopping portal Chrome plugin will say, hey, you get 5% cash back, whatever. Activate. You activate it, you'll get cash back from Rakuten and you'll get cash back from your card, okay? So make sure that you're utilizing these shopping portals while you're doing your holiday shopping. Your money will go further. You're welcome. I love you and your kids, all of you out there, okay? I'm looking out for the Radikal Nation family, okay? So make sure that you like this video. Comment, do you have this card? Do you like this card? What was your data points? What was your limit? How did you get approved? What was your credit score? Okay, I got mine way back on the Platinum card. I had about a 720 Experian pull, right? Like I said, credit limit increases are every 6 months. They're a soft pull. If you want a bigger increase, then you can do a hard pull. But I don't do hard pulls for credit limit increases. I just refuse to do it. I'll just get a new card. Anyways, guys, I talked enough about the Wells Fargo Active Cash card. Go get it. The sign-up bonus is great. Oh, also the sign-up bonus is $200 right now too, unless you guys have a greater offer where you guys are at. So anyways, guys, like, comment, subscribe, do the product change if you're on Platinum. Go get this card for the holiday season, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Salute.